Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Nudge vegetable slicer. It's of course a potato cutter, strawberry cutter, or you can make so many nice stuff with this one device because it comes with 5 interchangeable blades with peeler, fruit, multi-cutter, vegetable peeler, Julienne cutter, and it's possible to use this for nearly all vegetables out there. This device here comes with a high quality. The vegetable cutter is made of BPA-free ABS material and high quality stainless steel. The fruit cutter and the vegetable slicer is suitable for fruit and vegetables, and it's really easy to clean. The dicer can be completely disassembled for easy cleaning and hand washing with cleaning scratches. And of course it's dishwasher-safe, so you can get it into the dishwasher, and after approximately 2 hours your device, your appliance will be back in business too. It is really friendly user design. The vegetable slicer has a non-slip design, which can not easily drop or slip. This vegetable cutter here will save a lot of time and effort during daily food preparation. And with a storage design, if the cutting blades and accessories are not in use, we store them in the 1.2-liter container. We do not use a blade to cut too hard objects, otherwise the blade will be bent and damaged easily, of course. So it's not good for nuts, it's good for vegetables and fruits. Because we have 5 interchangeable blades here. With this vegetable slicer we can slice, we can chop, and we can grate and much more. 5 features to help us prepare food easier and become a master in the kitchen. For example, we can chop onions easily. This is definitely a kitchen protector to chop onions, but we can't see when we have diced them. The cube here comes in to save our watery eyes. Just place our vegetables and apply some pressure, and job's done. No crying because of the onions. No. And healthy and unique. The manual food chopper here provides effective hand protection to protect our fingers from accidental nicks. It gives us friends or family the vegetable chopper to make a better life start right now. And it's really easy to clean. The food chopper and the cube machine can be completely disassembled, as you can see, for easy cleaning and washed by hand with the cleaning scratches. They can also be used in a dishwasher, and all blades can be stored in the vegetable chopper container after use and of course after dry out. The 5 stainless steel blades are ultra sharp 301 hardened stainless steel. They stay sharp and won't rust over time. This is it for chopping and dicing fruit, vegetables, and of course cheese, but professional style, so we can prepare our meals in no time. Even the touches onions and the crispiest carrots are a breeze. We will get all what we need. The dimensions are 10.9 to 4.5 to 3.7 inches. The weight is 1.63 pounds. And there are in the box 5 lip replacement blades made of stainless steel, 1 food container, ABS cover and a blade base, and 1 plastic clean scrapping and a hand protection too. So we have there all what we need to make a nice and delicious salad or vegetable food with the Nudge Dicer Vegetable Slicer. Of course, you can make potatoes. For example, you can make the potatoes for delicious French fries with that. Oh, it's a good idea. I will try that later. With 5 interchangeable blades, with peeler, with multi-cutter, with Julienne cutter, and it's possible to use this for all vegetables nearly out there. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.